Ooh.
Are you smiling?
Yeah.
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 Come on. Yeah, birdie. See the birdie?
I don't know. Well, he was almost 12 years old too. So.
Hey, honey.
Yeah.
Brady.
They usually anywhere from 10 to 14. So usually 12 to 16.
Oh, look how happy he is.
Noticed.
Hey, Brady.
Yeah.
That's so cute. You're such a cute boy.
No, yeah, he's been 12 in September.
Come on, baby. Talk to
September
Grandma.
11, actually.
Come on.
There, that's cute.
Yeah.
No, I'm
Good
doing
boy.
a little better now. I can actually talk without.
Yeah, baby.
But it was awful.
Aw,
I still
hi
have my
Brady.
moments. I
You
have
looking
my
at Dad?
moments.
Yeah.
I'll
Yeah,
take
you
this
talking
home
to
and
Dad?
I'll start crying. It's gonna be a while.
Hi,
I'll never
honey.
forget him. He was my baby. I loved him.
Aw,
You know.
you a
Hey,
sweet
baby.
boy. You a sweet boy.
Yeah. We have that long too.
Yes, you are. You're my Brady boy. Yeah.
Come on. Come on,
Tell me
talk.
something. How's the weather today?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yes. Yep.
Hey, sweetie. Brady.
No.
Hey, baby.
No, but I was very glad I was there.
Very
at the
cute.
end.
Very cute.
We both held him and petting him and went very peacefully.
Very cute, Brady.